This owner, he actually prioritize space and also natural sunlight. So it's related to feng shui lah. Dia nak something yang betul-betul airy. So when he built this house, dia memang nak something yang you boleh dapat natural sunlight. You can get all those angin. So you know, it brings good energy.
Correct. Okay guys, today I'm checking out the most luxurious property that we have ever done in Stable Property. My name is Jin and today we are at Mont Kiara Residences. Now this is a beautiful bungalow that is 13.5 million ringgit and the rental a month is 70,000. And this is a beautiful bungalow lot which is 7,000 plus square feet in terms of land size. Build up is around 8,000 plus minus lah. Now the adjacent properties in this taman itself is super luxurious and atas. As you can see, this place can easily fit up to 6 cars, no problem, on a tandem basis, whatnot. And when you come into the main entrance, you're actually greeted with lush of greeneries with also a very nice entryway lah. Before you come in the house, you're also greeted with some water features over here. And in terms of the building facade, right, you can see this is actually some sort of Balinese villa kind of design language. And you see, this is some sort of tiles, kind of a bit of rustic kind of look, right? And as you enter this part of the house, it comes also with very nice trees already, all pretty much all at a very old age already, like the trees, right? So it kind of gives you a little bit jungly, foresty kind of vibe, right? And this is where if you have elderly family members, they can come from this passageway to actually enter the ground floor unit itself. Very super convenient because there's also an awning over here. And if they want to come out, drink some coffee, look at the greeneries, very refreshing. Now this is actually going to bring you directly to the swimming pool as well. So if you have guests or you like entertaining people, right, look at this ginormous space. And this ceiling height over here is about 10 feet and 10.5 feet in that sense. And they did a bit of plaster ceiling already lah. But I got to say, because of the natural sunlight coming from both passageway, right, this place actually feels very serene. And because the swimming pool is just right across, look at that guys, beautiful swimming pool. This is also facing towards the Mont Kiara NKVE highway lah. So surrounding this place, right, amenity wise, this is insane.
Interesting part is this way.
Okay.
If you ask me, my personal opinion, I like it here. You can see the swimming pool. You can have this lush garden. And also boleh dapat sun.
And more importantly, because yang ni owner kan, they really understand that Malaysia punya weather, kalau nak buat landscaping semua tu, very complicated, right?
Betul.
So yang ni dia sudah artificial grass.
Yep. Senang.
Oh, senang nak maintain kan?
Senang
and
nak
you
maintain.
mentioned just now also, berdiri dekat sini, the view is superb, right?
Correct.
Structure dia memang cantik.
Betul.
So from up there, kalau you nak pergi berenang, you can just jump from balcony juga.
From the master room, you boleh terus lompat. Tak ada masalah. Nobody will stop you. Okay?
Really? Because it's a private bungalow within
Yes.
the most atas area of Mont Kiara itself.
Correct.
Okay, let's go see the house, right? So as you enter the house, the first thing you're greeted is with the sliding door over here. And this is actually very enough space for you to kind of host guests and whatnot, right?
Right. It has a very spacious space. Huge space. You have a lot of spaces. So for those who have a big family, tempat ni memang sesuai.
Right,
Yeah. Not only that, what I like about this house, what I love about this house is the window. You have almost window everywhere.
So actually in the morning, and the main reason why the owner designed this way, right? Because dia orang China kan?
Di China.
Orang China. So this guy must be feng shui master lah.
Feng shui master.
Ah,
Right.
you see not? Surrounding the area, you have like water features going on, ample natural sunlight. It's just to cater to the feng shui kind of vibe. 要洗要水嘛, guys, correct or not? And if you come towards the wet kitchen itself, this is very sizable lah.
You also have the wet kitchen belakang dah. This is only the dry kitchen.
And this is also the wet kitchen punya tempat lah. So Amirul, yang ni
Yeah.
wet kitchen, I rasa okay lah, sesuai lah kalau...
Okay.
Aha.
This is the heaven for those mak-mak.
Mak-mak.
Mak-mak mesti suka. They won't come out from this space one. Kenapa? Because they have those big space. If you want to cook, the most important part is for you to have space belakang you. Because mak-mak, they love to cook like this. Yeah. So if you don't have space, they won't like it. They won't like it.
Correct.
This one you have so much space. This is also accessible to the garden.
I mean, this is ample amount of space for
Ample
people.
of space, yep.
I mean, if you have like helpers, honestly speaking, kalau you duduk sini kan, I rasa must at least have 2 helper lah.
At least. At least.
Satu tu masak, satu tu jaga anak.
Satu tu jaga anak, and maybe satu lagi tu kemas rumah.
Wah, 3 guys.
3. Tapi okay lah, ramai. You don't feel lonely.
And this is the
Bathroom.
helper's toilet lah.
Helper's toilet, yep.
So you can see it's actually very spacious. The helper's toilet can, it's actually very sizable. And also the room itself is actually very big lah.
And one more thing, this unit is under individual title. So you can actually renovate. If you don't like the space, you can demolish this area. You can make it bigger or smaller.
Right.
It's up to you.
Okay, because it's extendable individual title.
Correct.
Right.
Individual, not only that, it's also freehold.
Right.
Gila, siapa tak nak?
So this is the entertainment room.
Entertainment room, yeah. Or we can also use this as a guest room lah.
Guest room or
Guest room,
entertainment room lah. So every single room over here comes with an ensuite bathroom.
Ensuite
itself,
bathroom, definitely, correct.
So one thing I like about rooms nowadays, especially with elderly folks, right, is that you can actually convert this ground floor unit, okay, to have a bigger door, then it's wheelchair friendly. Like for myself, I have a elderly grandparent. Memang tak sesuai lah kalau nak jalan-jalan kan. So kalau dari sini, very senang.
Tenang. Tak pakai banyak space. You boleh masuk from outside, terus direct masuk to your room.
And then let's go see the second floor lah.
Let's go. This is the master room, not living room. This is the master room. It may look like a living room because of the space.
Right.
But this is actually the selling point lah. I mean, you see, the natural sunlight, the windows, and again, like you said earlier, Eugene, you can actually dive into the swimming pool from this space. Kalau you nak lah, it's at your own risk lah, okay?
So I love the fact kalau you bangun dari sini, you can see right, actually the queen bed dia memang taruh dekat sini lah. And one part, because I mentioned earlier, yang ni owner China punya owner kan. So maybe dia sort of feng shui calculated punya. That's the reason why. Kalau tadi kita masuk kan, there's actually a sheer wall over here. Okay? And that's the reason, for the sole reason of the door not being at your kaki sana. I don't really know how to articulate this. I know feng shui master kan. But I think that was the intention. But if you rasa macam awkward sikit kan, as mentioned, this one boleh tendang kan?
Demolish, yeah.
Because yang ni
as long as it's not the pillar, you can demolish, especially this part. This part boleh. So you can make it bigger, can make it wider. Because from what I understand, this owner, he actually prioritize space and also natural sunlight.
Right.
So it's related to feng shui lah.
Wait guys, landed property ada sauna room. My favorite guys. Wow, look at this. Ooh, cun lah ni. I rasa you see got private punya sauna berapa happy lah. Ada bathtub lagi.
Bathtub ada, sauna ada. Bila you mandi pun, kalau you mandi siang-siang, you boleh nampak lah. Malam-malam pun cantik.
Wih, this is open air. So
open air.
Natural. Oh, so kalau hujan pun tak perlu shower dah.
Tak perlu mandi lah, jimat air. Tak payah. You duduk, you panggil satu family ramai-ramai, duduk sini. Mandi ramai-ramai.
Oh, tengok tak guys? This is beautiful. This is like a Balinese concept design, guys. Beautiful house. Okay, actually one thing I really don't understand one. What is this for?
Honestly, if you ask me, I rasa my personal opinion, I think this is for the baby.
For the baby
I think this is for the baby.
Ni macam cuci besek.
Because this one cannot fit ours. Definitely cannot lah. So that's why I cakap this one for the baby.
I think this is for the orang kaya lah. I tak faham what is the...
Kenapa you tak faham? You know why?
Tak
Sebab
kaya.
you tak kaya.
And this is like a little bit of a powder area. And the brand that they use, right, guys, I don't even know how to pronounce this. Apa ni? Velroy and Bosch. Velroy and Bosch. Oh, sounds so European or Italian or whatnot, right? Now, this one, okay, now for me personally lah, I'm not a big fan of wallpaper lah. You like it?
Personally, no. Tapi, you know, ni rumah owner kan, so dia lah minat, I think.
Now this one obviously paint, you know, you can just cat lah, okay? And this is where, guys, this I think is one of my favorite part. If I stay here, if I own this property, right, I will make a like little jump board lah.
Jump board, slide.
I adventurous sikit lah. I would just, okay, and jump into the swimming pool every single morning. People like to do ice bath, right? I like to do swimming pool challenge.
Yeah. Every time you woke up, that will be the first thing you do.
Correct.
Sas.
But to maintain a swimming pool like this, pun mahal juga kan?
Boleh tahan.
Boleh tahan lah.
You have to get them to come like once a month. Maybe once every 2 months.
Once every 2 months
Once
lah.
every 2 months lah.
And the other downside is I noticed is because this is actually facing towards one of the main roads.
Main road, yeah.
And this one is actually not within your compound sudah. So maybe sometimes you can say hi to your people driving by juga lah.
Correct. But this is not a busy road lah. So dia takkan ada traffic. There will be no noise or whatever lah.
Are you sure bro? Malaysia banyak mat rempit oh.
Sini tak ada. Mat rempit banyak luar sana. Highway mat rempit banyak. Sini mat rempit tak berani.
Okay.
Drive bam banyak.
Right. And this one also very convenient because you have the fisher Fisherman's Club dekat
Yep,
sana kan?
yep.
So kalau nak beli makan ke apa, jalan kaki pun sampai.
Not only that, on the
Aha.
right side, if you drive, about 5 minutes you akan reach to Solaris Mont Kiara. So Solaris Mont Kiara ada banyak shop bro.
Right. A lot of
So
Korean
on the
food.
left, on the right, you ada anything that you want lah. Senang.
Nice. Amenities here is, and this is the bedroom pertama. I don't know lah guys. I'm really not a huge fan of wallpaper. And then tambah hijau lagi memang.
But this is actually not bad. I mean, it blends well. Color dia dengan wallpaper dia better than.
Yeah, better than the one with
better
banyak
tadi
flower lah.
Betul.
True. Flower. What you thinking lah? And every room, as mentioned, ada ensuite bathroom.
Bathroom, betul.
And also I noticed the flooring semua marble kan?
Semua marble. Yup.
Ooh, wow. And guys, you just look at this, right? They are very thoughtful, you know. Orang kaya memang pandai sikit. This is actually to prevent slippage. Did you know that? Aha. So this is one very interesting part, and of course the whole place from ceiling to floor is all marble lah. One thing I noticed is that whenever you come out from one room, you're actually greeted with some sort of natural light coming in. And right in the middle of the premise of the property itself, you have this air well, right, that allows natural air, natural sunlight, even rainwater to actually hit the water feature downstairs. So this is kind of like giving the entire house a little bit more of like a little background music going on, like a villa kind of vibe. As you see, I'm standing here right now. Wow. You can hear the water, natural air coming in, natural sunlight. It's just making the whole place just very homely. I don't know how to explain this, but basically when you're here, right, when you're staying in this part of the house, it just, I wish my house was like that lah. Okay, I want to have a well in the middle. So if I build my own house. Now bedroom number 2, okay, yang ni warna I boleh accept.
This is blue color.
Blue color. Yang ni okay sikit lah. But of course, I think kalau the next person that buys this house also, they need to kind of.
If they like it, they can keep it. If not, yeah, they can do whatever they want lah.
Right. Who are we to comment? We don't have 13.5 million.
Unless we are buying it lah.
Okay, this one also ensuite bathroom. You see similar fittings, and also the floorings as well. The tiles are also carved in a way whereby they have all these ridges lah, so prevent slip. And this is the third bedroom. But I rasa this one like feels actually like a master bedroom.
Betul. This actually feels bigger than the other two. So you have your walk-in wardrobe belah sini, and again a bathroom.
Wow, the walk-in wardrobe is very big lah. I think this room maybe for the daughter ke, for the perempuan lah.
Yeah, I think this room is for the favorite kid in the family. Siapa yang parents paling sayang, they will get he or she will get this room.
Right. This is the biggest room among all of them lah.
So up here in total we have about 4 rooms.
Okay.
Again, all comes with ensuite bathroom, and other than that, just a living space over here.
Now, one thing I noticed is that this bungalow doesn't have a chandelier. So now if you have to buy this property, I recommend lah. Here you can put one very nice chandelier, which actually the well is already open for you, and I believe there's a hook lah. It's just that they might have already removed it. Maybe it was very, very expensive, right? They left the small one for you though. So this place actually right now, if you look at the entirety of the house, honestly speaking, in terms of the fitting wise, in terms of the condition, it looks to be pretty decent lah.
The main thing about this property is the location also lah.
Right.
Other than the house itself, I mean the location is also important. First, you have to get a place that is near to your work, because you're gonna go to work every day. Okay?
Correct.
So in this area, most of the resident yang duduk sini, they work nearby. They work nearby because this is Mont Kiara, you know. So most of the resident yang duduk sini pun expat. Other than that, this place also offers you a great facilities and amenities. You know, those Mont Kiara International School, they also have shuttle bus to go to Gardens International School. They have like Japanese cuisine, Korean cuisine, Malaysian cuisine of course.
Right.
So hence that's why expats suka datang sini, especially those Japanese and Korean.
Right.
They love it here, bro.
So majority of the places over here, like surrounding kan, would you say they are like, I think this one maybe T1 lah. Bukan T20 lah.
Bukan T20. Ni dia dah atas dari T20 dah. Kalau top tier dia T1 lah.
T1 lah?
Betul.
Wow. Okay, now guys, if you want to stay among the T1 individuals, I think this is a property that you definitely need to consider.
Yeah.
Structure-wise, as I mentioned earlier, both Amirul and I agree that maybe okay lah. Kalau you suka design here, you can keep it. Tapi kalau you tak suka certain parts, you know, up to you to decide.
Yeah, betul. You can always renovate it up to your liking. Like we said, it's under individual title and it's also freehold. So Up to you.
So hantam saja kalau
Hantam
you nak.
saja, hantam saja.
Okay. So I think if you guys like contents like such, make sure to like, subscribe and follow for more. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.